When you're planning for your golden years, there's one word you want to associate with your future: safe. As such, you should know why gold IRAs can be safe from setup, storage, and hedge standpoints. When you set up a gold IRA, it's done through what's known as a self-directed IRA, a type of IRA that enables you to purchase traditional assets as well as alternative assets, such as precious metals. You can transfer or roll over funds from one of your retirement accounts to a gold IRA, or you can open a new self-directed IRA to house physical gold. In either case, an IRS-approved custodian must purchase the gold. IRA custodians must adhere to IRS guidelines when holding assets belonging to their clients, meaning you can enjoy peace of mind about the proper handling of your gold transactions. When you work through U.S. Money Reserve's self-directed precious metals IRA program, your IRA account executive will coordinate with your custodian to set up your IRA account. Once an IRA custodian buys gold on your behalf, it is stored in an IRS-approved depository or a federally regulated bank or credit union, all of which have expertise when it comes to safely storing gold and other precious metals. If the inflation rate climbs, traditional inflation hedges like gold, commodities, and real estate are likely to outperform other mainstream financial assets. Therefore, a gold IRA can be a safe haven when it comes to inflation and a useful part of reducing overall risk. Call U.S. Money Reserve to learn more about the safety often associated with gold IRAs. Click the link in the description to download your free gold information kit, which will provide you with important information you should know about diversifying your portfolio with precious metals.